sir.
Hello.
Hi,
Yes,
sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
Okay. I was just taking out your
Yeah, after so long time,
yes,
I'm coming for the class.
your record. Okay, so let's continue.
Yeah,
Yes, my pen. So you had been very busy, huh?
yeah, little busy every day.
Now everything is normalized.
Yeah, everything is fine.
And how is your daughter?
Yeah, she's fine.
So actually, when we have a baby girl in our
Yeah,
home, it is said that means we have got goddess Lakshmi in our home.
yeah,
It is said. It is very old, proverb that our old people used to say that the goddess Lakshmi has arrived.
yeah.
कि घर में लक्ष्मी का जन्म हुआ.
Right.
Like this. Okay, so this is your 17th lesson.
Yeah, 17, right.
Okay.
I took one class, I think,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
we can when we had continued.
You had that class on 2nd of August.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So let me know something about you, how you were busy, how you managed everything.
yeah. A lot of things happen in that particular time. First of all, now I'm a father of a beautiful and cute child, baby girl.
Yes.
Yeah. And that experience was really very good for me when the baby comes in our life. At the time I saw the face of my baby, the the happiness. I can't explain my happiness, right? And again, but my baby has come with a little operation, and that's why my wife was in hospital for 5 to 6 days. After got discharged, I come back with my I come came in my daily house, and after some days, my wife and my child was shifted in my hometown. Give me one minute. I have. Hello. 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 Yes. Then they were shifted in at my hometown, and I will travel every day from my hometown to Delhi. And in between, have you seen any news on the TV? There is a the Ram Rahim case. The all the Haryana, Punjab, and Delhi were curfew. You cannot go anywhere.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm in Delhi.
Actually, they are, Ram Rahim type people actually, they ruin Hindu religion. That's but you see the people how fool they are or how much stupid they are. Means they follow a person who is just like a human being as they are, and he asks them to call him God, and they are ready to call him God, and they are going inside in his ashram and all. it's really very, strange for me to understand that why don't you do your work, yaar? And that is the God. Pray to that Almighty.
Actually, he's doing his work. Actually,
Huh?
he's doing his work.
No. I am talking about the people.
Okay,
He's
okay,
doing his work
okay.
because that is his job to make people fool
Right,
or
right.
to trap people fool. But why don't people do their own work? Why don't they do some work to earn money, to change their lifestyle? Actually, Baba or even the God is not going to change anything in your life if you don't try to bring any change into your life, because God helps those who help themselves.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't help yourself, who can help you?
Right, right.
Even the God can't help you. Then how that stupid Baba can help you?
Mm-hmm. I have seen one video on internet.
And one Baba is also there in Delhi, Nirmal Baba.
Yeah, lot of babas in are in
Nirmal
queue.
Baba. And what Nirmal Baba says, if you watch his
Lot of
videos, you will start laughing.
lot of babas are in queue, and also some more babas will come in that queue. I have seen one video on internet that the Ram Rahim told to their followers that if you are a real follower, then you cannot. If you are a real follower, you cannot trust on anyone against your guru. He talk about himself that I am a guru. If you are a follower, then you cannot trust on anyone, even on God. If God will come and told something against about your guru, you cannot trust on God if you are a real follower. What what is the mean? This is not correct. If you are a real follower, you cannot say that you cannot trust on this and that. You give your opinion. That's it.
Actually, the people are stupid. The problem
Yeah.
is,
People are stupid, and the politicians are greedy about
actually,
what.
Osho, who was
Yeah,
Osho?
I know. So.
Osho once he said कि तुम लोगों को कोई ना कोई तो चूसता ही रहेगा, चाहे पॉलिटिशियन हो, चाहे बाबा हो, चाहे व्यापारी हो, चाहे कोई हो. Until or unless you educate yourself not to be exploited by such people. If you are ready to be exploited, you are going to be exploited by such people. They may be Baba, they may be politician, they may be your employer, or whoever they may be. You have to decide. And you have to educate yourself.
Exactly, right. I agree on that. And again, uh, lot of things happen in that in between. Then after Monday, Tuesday, I come back to Delhi, and tomorrow I will go my hometown. And one more incident happened. I went to Panipat, my hometown, on 7th on Raksha Bandhan festival. On that day, there was too much rain, and my car was stuck in the rainwater on highway, and literally I'm stuck in the middle of the road, and it's too much heavy rain. I'm with my mother, and my car engine was seized. At that day, I was called to the fort. They rescued my car, and again, still now my car was in
Garage.
garage because nobody were taking responsibility. Right, the insurance company told me that
Nobody
your
will take. You will have to be.
yeah.
Yes,
Insurance
I know that
company.
because the same thing happened with me last year.
Oh,
Yes.
then
You have,
how did you handle all these things?
Yeah, actually, I was on the way. Actually, what happened? The chamber is there.
Yeah, I
Chamber,
know the number.
chamber is there below the engine, which is full of oil,
Okay.
and that chamber was, chamber was hit by a stone piece or something. I
Mm-hmm.
don't
Okay.
know, and all the oil leaked out.
Okay.
But actually, the car gives you beep tit, 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 when all the oil goes out.
Mm-hmm.
So that car started giving me that red sign and giving the beep. Tit, 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 tit. Then I means it attracted my attention, and then I found that the oil sign on the dashboard, it
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
showing red sign and oil sign.
Okay.
I immediately stopped the car and I called that toll free number, Tata toll free,
Mm-hmm.
and they told me not to start your car,
Yeah.
otherwise your engine will seize.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did, uh, and they actually asked me to stop the car, and they were ready to send me that towing crane and all to tow the car to the garage, but I was in Chitrakoot that time.
Mm-hmm.
So the nearby Tata service center was in Allahabad.
Yeah.
So they asked me to be ready to go to Allahabad, and that was 120 kilometers ahead, not
Oh.
nearby. It was 120 more kilometer I had to go.
They have charged for that.
Yes, they were charging because they told me that this is not the, that will not cover in insurance, that will not cover in AMC, and that will not cover in और क्या था? One more thing was there, guarantee. Means the car has guarantee for 4 years. I have got AMC also, annual maintenance contract. I paid for that, and everything is covered like brake shoe, clutch, everything is covered. And insurance means they denied that that was my fault. If
Okay.
if the oil is leaking, they say, if the oil is leaking, if your car is suppose hit by something, then it is an accident.
Yeah,
Then
it's an accident.
that will cover in insurance. But
Okay.
that was my negligence, as they told me that the stone piece hit the chamber. That is your fault. And because of, so I discussed with them many times. I sent them email, I sent email to Tata and all, but they did something, they did a favor for me, means like that was the bill for 50,000,
Okay.
but they charged 23 or 24.
Okay. They give you the 50% discount.
Yes.
They are.
So I thought it's okay.
I'm also on the same track. They are saying that it's your negligency that if you see the lot of water on the road, why are you going?
Yes. Same thing.
I'm, I'm,
They make excuses like
I'm
this.
not
Yes.
I'm not fighting with the insurance company because that is my second option. First, I'm fighting with the Ford company last for the 5 days. That I'm saying that this car is not perfect. This is a manufacturing uh, problem. Something which is not good in my car because I bought this car for 3 months back. Right. When
But
I just
actually, how high was the water on the road?
water I don't know what happened at that time. I'm driving behind a bus. Yeah, in front of one bus is going, and when the bus was entering the water, they create a wave, a huge wave, which which covered my car.
Okay.
When my car got covered completely with water, they suck water. When they suck the water, and again my car was dead. I never tried to start the engine. Actually, the situation was I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Even I don't know. Even the Ford the garage people are no don't know what happened with my car. They are basically waiting for the approval. When you will give the approval, then I will start and checking with your car. They make a rough estimate, which is 3 lakh rupees, and once they will get the approval even from me and the insurance company, they will start working on that. And after completing all the work, they told that what exactly the amount is. I'm fighting now. The situation is I'm fighting with the Ford company, right? And they little support. They supporting me that I will give you the compensate of 25%. But again, I'm on that my car is defected. Please replace my car. If you are not okay with that, then I am going consumer court.
That is better actually.
Then yesterday I have drove a mail to Ford that if you are not your offer is not acceptable. If you are not going to give me a replace my car, then I have to go for on consumer court and the social for justice. Give me 1 minute. I have it.
Okay.
Hello. Yes. हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है. इंश्योरेंस किस चीज का? बट अभी तो मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. अभी तो मैं कॉल पे हूँ. क्लाइंट कॉल चल रहा है मेरा, तो मुझे अभी हाफ एन आवर लगेगा, तो मैं अभी कॉल पिक नहीं कर पाऊंगा. हाफ एन आवर के बाद. ठीक. ओके. हेलो.
Hmm.
क्या सर?
Actually, you know, I tell you one thing, please don't mind it. That's why, you know, I never prefer to buy the cars from foreign companies, because, you know, they always, you know, they sell their cars, but after that, I mean, after sale service is costlier than the other Indian companies. Like, if suppose if you means buy a car from Mahindra, suppose Mahindra is Indian company, or if you buy a car from Tata, Maruti, I think these companies are better because they are Indian companies, so they don't cheat, I think, the customers. But I have seen, as my brother, he has got Hyundai Accent, and whenever he has any problem, they charge 50,000, 40,000 for small work. What is it? But he likes, and I don't say anything. But that's why, you know, I always prefer to buy Indian cars. I think it's my choice. But because actually I have seen many times, they always try to cheat people.
Basically,
If you see, your car cost is
11.
11. Okay. And now they are taking 3 lakhs.
Now, no, they are taking like they are that the garage people are saying that
Just means they estimated.
yeah, it's estimated. If you want to change your completely engine, then we have a approval for that.
Actually, when car is seized, the engine is changed.
Yeah.
This is the process.
But 90%, I think that my car engine was not seized, because when my car was stuck in that water, I never tried to start my car. I have just tried to push my car to side and remove all the water which were comes in my car.
So actually, it means the water was inside the car.
Yeah, when I was stuck in the water, what I think I at that time I was trying to get out my car from that water so that the damage was less. When I opened the door in that water, the water has come in my car.
Hmm.
That's a main problem.
So
And
you opened the door actually.
yeah, what at that time
This
what
is the main problem actually.
yeah. And the people are saying that you have not a policy, your policy is not covered. Basically, has um, insurance company told me that in your policy, engine is not covered, because if you want to cover your engine, you have to take engine protector policy, which is add-on.
They people are stupid actually. Why should I ask you? When you
Yeah,
give us insurance, you should have told me
yeah, exactly.
this is the policy, this is the policy, this is the
If
policy.
if
Why
if
didn't you tell me that time that we have got
exactly,
many
exactly.
policies?
Same
How
my
can I
question.
know that you have got 5 policies or 10
Yeah,
policies?
I have fight with the
Is this
person
my job?
where I bought a car, that and I also fight with a lot of people actually. And now insurance is just my second opinion. First, I'm fighting with the Ford, and if
Actually,
they will
insurance
give,
that doesn't come in insurance. Only the company will take the decision because that is means that situation is not covered by insurance because this is not an accident.
right.
So this is this can be covered, I think, by the company. You should talk to your
This
company.
is a very good question. This is a very good point for me, that which I mentioned in my consumer court complaint, that they are not giving me that engine protector policy. If they are offering me that engine protector policy, then definitely I will buy. If if I buy a car which cost is around 11 lakh rupees, why should I take
Yes.
3,000 add-ons in my insurance policy? It's not um, good.
Actually, that is all the companies, I must say, all the companies, they try to make people fool, or they try to cheat people, and they try to cheat their customer. And I tell you, the government is not very strict with that, and government is actually supporting such companies to take
Right,
money from the customer and you become rich.
right,
I tell you, this is the reason. They are supported by the government. That's why they do all these things. Otherwise, if the rules and regulations are strict, they cannot do that
Yeah,
to
yeah.
the customers.
Initially, I have tried to repair my car on my own cost, but my father-in-law, when I was discussed with my father-in-law, they told me that no, I will fight with the people. Don't forgive the company. Everyone is a theft. Yeah, then we will fight with the company and we will sue him. Why I क्यों हम उनको छोड़े?
Why should we leave them
Leave
stay?
them.
Yes.
Yeah. Why should we leave them? Then now I'm ready to fight. What I what I will happen in my case if my car is stuck for 1 month, 2 months? I give a damn. I need to fight. I want to fight with the company and the.
Hmm. So finally means you didn't ask them to check the car.
No. I'm just saying that my car is defective. Please replace my car. and on that particular point they are saying that we will discuss with my higher team, and your car is is new and it's not run too much, and we will give you a compensate of 25%. I'm saying that I'm not talking about the compensate, I'm not talking about the repair, I'm talking about that my car is damaged, my car is
Faulty.
faulty,
Yes, you should say that.
it has some issue with the manufacturing, please replace my car. If you could help me, if you are not help me, then we have to go on a consumer court and a social media for justice. That's even they offer me 25% on phone, not in mail. When I told him to please drop me a mail and mention all these things, and he never mailed on that particular point. Then I again mailed him that you are on call and give me some offer. You never mention on that offer in my mail, and also and I'm also saying that this offer is not acceptable. Then again next day, I never get any mail from the customer care, and I have mail that is still waiting for your reward. And after that, they mail me all this thing 25% and compensate. When I get the 25% of the compensate from that customer care, after that I mail that consumer court mail.
So you have actually means file a case to consumer court.
Yeah, I filed against Ford and also against the. Uh, if I file a case against Ford, at that time I offer for a replacement of my car. If I file a case against the insurance company, at that time I fight for a repair. That's why I fight against the Ford,
Yes,
because
that's better actually.
yeah,
Because
insurance companies have second opinion. If they will not work, if the consumer will also, consumer court is also saying that they are they don't find on Ford, but it's a very rare case. 99% the case favor in the consumer, right? And let's see after that fight with the insurance company.
yeah, just keep going.
Why should I leave them? They charge too much money, and they
This is our hard-earned money.
yeah, exactly.
Why
I'm saying
we cannot go, or we cannot let our money go into the drain.
yeah.
भाई पैसा
Also, I'm suffering. If my car is not in my hand, I'm suffering financially, emotionally. Lot of things. Yeah, lot of loss happen without my car. I will definitely.
even you can compensate that time
I know that. I know that.
because without my car I lose my business and
Business, financially, emotionally.
everything.
And
And you
and
suffered a lot because you
yeah,
cannot travel, you cannot take your family to, means you can have many points.
yeah.
So you can
Let's see.
actually claim for even 5 lakh or 10 lakh for that.
Usually, consumer complaint will file online. If you want to file a consumer complaint, you just log in on the consumer portal and drop a mail. But in my case, I hired a consumer court advocate, and also I have a little links with the also judge, consumer court judge in Delhi. And if you need to connect with the judge, then I will definitely connect with my link.
Good. So
Let's see.
actually, we must always try to fight against the wrong things.
Right.
Because actually, and if it's and it is your right, you
Yeah,
spend that much money and you have right to fight for that. So I think you may take some time actually to have any decision in your favor,
Yeah.
but you must not actually give up.
Yeah.
You
Definitely.
must keep trying
Yeah.
to have some results in your favor. So
Yeah,
keep doing,
definitely. I would get the favor in my hand.
because actually I think let's see what happens in court,
Yeah.
because actually the court will call the company manager or
Yeah.
person from company, and they will call you that what happened to the car, and they will listen the case in the
At
court,
that
and then they will decide.
when the incident happened, I have CCTV footage also. Very next day, I when I connect with the insurance person, they told me that, do you have any picture or a video at the time incident happened? I'm saying, no, I don't have any picture. He told me that, how can I say that you are stuck in water and that? Then I think you are right. How could you imagine? How could you trust on me? Then I say, at that time it's too much raining. Never, this is not comes in my mind. We should not take a picture or make a video. I trust on the insurance company. It's fine. I'm stuck. Insurance company will bear this, and they have also sent the towing man and this. Then after discussing with the insurance people, after that I will. I went to that place. I went to that place where the situation happened, and I'm checking that the CCTV camera in front of the showroom where the incident happened, and talk to that guy and take all the footage. And what I see, lot of cars were going in front of my cars.
But
If
nothing
there were
happened to them.
no, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Lot of I'm saying that the problem is not the problem is not happen with the high water. It's happened with the water which bus has create a layer on my car. At that time, my car has sucked the water, and lot of cars were going same water. I'm filing I'm fighting with the company that lot of small cars were going in front of my car, and I have bought a SUV eco sport car which is higher than others car. And why they stuck in that water? When I was just entering the water, and luckily the situation, the incident which I'm talking about, the bus, when the bus was entering the water and they create a layer, that situation is not in that CCTV cam. In CCTV cam just capture a car, just enter in the range in the CCTV cam, that car was stuck. And after that I'm pushing my car to going to side, out of to going to side my car roadside. Let's see, I know it's again they are also not leave me easily. Of course they are also fighting with me. And
Actually, this is life,
yeah, it's
and
a
we
life.
face such kind of problems every
Yeah.
day, or once in a month, or once in a year. But actually, we should not give up. We should fight for it,
Definitely.
because actually,
I have
it's
even
our
I
right. We are consumer, and you won't believe. Yesterday, a few days back, I ordered a screen guard for my mobile
okay.
online. And you see the screen guard, it is very costly actually. That is from, as they say, that is from US.
Okay.
I got it for 1800 rupees
Okay.
for my LG V20. So when I got, the packaging was intact, but when I open it, I was very happy. Oh, it's very nice because it's costly and should be very nice. But when I open, you see. Do you see the crack? Do you see that crack here?
No, no. Yeah. Now it's yeah. Like
It is already broken. That
right.
when I took it out, I found that it is broken.
Yeah.
Then I sent them an email because that product was non-refundable.
Okay.
So I sent them an email. This is the problem. I sent them an email yesterday, and today they asked me to send them the images.
Okay.
So when you were actually here on Skype and you were calling me that time, I told you to wait for 5 minutes. I was sending them the images.
Okay.
So I thought that I should complete that work first and I'll take your lesson.
Right.
Yeah. So I did that. Now let's see whether I should get it back, means exchange, or I would get refund. Let's see. It happens many times, in 2009. In 2009, no. In 1997, I got a scooter, LML. That time LML was very famous scooter. So I got LML scooter in 1997.
Mm-hmm.
And it cost me 30,000 that time. So 30,000 was a big amount that time in 1997, 20 years back. But that scooter was very good. But they claim that the scooter would give me 50 average. But the very first time when I got that scooter and I came back my home, the very first day when I just parked it at my home, and the petrol was leaking from it. I called the showroom, and person came to me and he checked it and he changed the carburetor, and it was okay. After that, means after in 1 month or 2 months, I realized that it was giving me only 25 average. Then I told them, then they checked it. No, sir, no problem. It will give you the average 50. Don't worry. I just used my scooter for next 2-3 months, but still it was giving me uh, 25 or 30. But that time there was no email. There was no email, no internet, nothing was there. So I got the booklet from them. So I just took out some addresses from there and I sent them a letter through post. I wrote everything. This is the problem. It is manufacturing problem. So I must have a new scooter or change the engine of my. No. I just told them to replace my scooter.
Okay.
And you won't believe, and I sent them. I sent that letter to their head office, branch office, Kanpur. They had their factory at Kanpur and everywhere I sent. And after 15 or 20 days, they called me. The Gwalior dealer called me and request me to come over there with a scooter. I went there and they asked me to hand over my scooter to them. Then I told them I had already paid money for that. Why should I hand it over to you? If you want to keep it with you, then you give me some alternative, another scooter for me to ride. Then they gave me an old scooter to ride.
Okay.
And I said, okay. And then an engineer came here, engineer from Kanpur or somewhere came here, Gwalior, and they called me there, and they actually told me that they are not going to replace the scooter because the registration had already been done and everything.
Yeah.
So the same chassis number and engine number was carved on a new engine, and that new engine was installed in my scooter. So my scooter was new. मतलब
Okay.
उन्होंने इंजन चेंज
Yeah,
कर
yeah.
दिया, पूरा इंजन उतारा और पूरे
Change.
इंजन पे वही चेसिस नंबर लिख के वही उसको लगा दिया. बोले नाउ योर स्कूटर इज न्यू, you can take it. So I got that engine changed.
I want the same thing with my car.
Yes, if you means keep doing your efforts, then definitely you may be or you can be successful in that, and they will change the engine. Actually, for company it's not a big thing or big issue.
Yeah.
Company, they claim like crores of money,
Yeah.
it makes no difference to them if they change the engine of a car. उनको क्या फर्क पड़ेगा यार, 2 लाख के, 3 लाख के, 4 लाख का हुआ इंजन,
Right.
का हुआ है. बाकी कार की कॉस्ट और चीजों से भी तो बढ़ती है.
Right.
इंजन कितने का हुआ? 3 लाख का हुआ. टाटा सफारी का इंजन 2-2.5 लाख का है, तो इसका कितना होगा? चलो ज्यादा मान लो 3 लाख का हुआ.
My question is that why should I bear for that?
No, you should not, I think.
That's why I'm fighting. Last almost 20 days.
So you have dropped that car to the service center?
No. I went to Panipat. When I reached the Panipat, at that time incident has happened, and I called to the Ford roadside assistant. They drove my car to the nearby service center. Luckily, the incident happened in the Panipat, and they drove my car in Panipat showroom. And in Panipat, I have a lot of contacts. That's why I get all the information.
Is there itself.
There itself. Yeah. I told them to please clean my car inside so that water is out from my car. So it's hygiene. It should hygiene. Otherwise, it everything.
Actually, you may get it checked up. I think there may be some other problem. That may not be the problem of engine.
Yeah.
That may be the problem of electric short circuit or something.
Yeah. It's quite possible.
Electric problem भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Short
Some problem with the electrical parts because money get into the car, and some problem with the also engine because when they check the engine oil, they get little water, not too much water. They get little water in the oil, which I have never seen the water in the oil, but they are saying that little water in the oil. I have never seen the water in the oil because if the water in the oil, they will not mix with the oil. The water is separate from the oil. If the bubbles will come over the oil, but I never seen any bubbles and anything. But they said that no, it's little water in the oil. Then I'm saying it's fine, ठीक है, रखो, नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
So I must tell you something before we stop. We people means I with some of my friends, we are going to invest a big amount in BitConnect. As I told you last time, I think. It is giving me the good profit. And as I told you earlier, actually I invested 10,000 only
10,000 INR or dollar?
in India, but
Acha,
that
okay.
was converted to dollar.
Okay.
So I invested, you can say just I invested there $130.
Okay.
$130, but some fees were deducted, so you can say I invested 10,000
Okay.
and I got the profit around 4,000, 5,000
In a week?
in a month.
In a month. Okay.
So you see the 50% has already been recovered by me
Yeah.
in 1 month,
Mm,
and that money is blocked there for 300 days. Means I'll get my money back after 300 days, and I am getting 15 to 20% of the interest every month on my investment. So we people are going to invest $10,000.
$10,000.
Yes, in coming 2-3 days. So
Okay.
in that actually we are going to have around five, maybe I think it may be $4,000 per month.
Okay.
We'll get around
Okay.
4,000 because some
Yeah.
guaranteed interest is also there in that slab. If we cross 10,010, means if we deposit 10,010, so we are going to have 4,000 at least. $4,000 means around 2.5 lakh per month. And if we are suppose four persons invest, then we are going to have, you just divide it, means how much is it? 60,000. Each one of us will get 60,000 per month. So I think we are going to do that.
Very good. If
And one more thing, you know, cloud mining, Bitcoin cloud mining is also very profitable business. Do you know cloud mining?
Like I have I heard about the cloud mining, but I never searched for that.
Actually, in India or outside India, even most of the people they are involved in such kind of business. Even they have left their jobs and they are making very good money by investing such things. Because Bitcoin is increasing day by day, and now the cost of Bitcoin is $4,500.
I know.
One Bitcoin is 4,500. So we are going to invest. So if you think, you may think over it to invest.
The people who are investing with you,
Yeah.
why they invest? Why they create their own account?
Yes, very good question. I tell you. Yes, they have created their own ID also,
Okay.
but they have deposited their like $100 because minimum investment is $100. But there are slabs. Means if you deposit $100 to $500, then you will get 15 to 20% of interest every month. But if you deposit 1,000 to 4,000 or something,
Okay. I got your point. Got your point.
so you will get 0.10 daily. That is guaranteed interest.
Okay. Basically, you will
Listen,
increase
listen.
your
But
amount.
when we deposit more than $10,000, we come in fourth slab. Then we will get the interest, everyday interest, but guaranteed we get 0.25% guaranteed interest every day.
That's why you are investing with
Yeah, so
the.
every day means around, if we invest $10,000, then $750 we get guaranteed. Are you getting my point? Matlab $750 तो हमको गारंटेड मिलना ही मिलना हर महीने. That is because of big investment, but one person alone cannot invest that much big amount. That's why we all together want to collect the money to invest. That's the reason. And one person don't want to take risk of that much big amount.
right.
केवल 4 लोग मिलके लगा लो, तो जो $750 एक आदमी मिलके लगाएगा तो मुश्किल है. तो
Basically, every person has a little, basically what we call that. Basically, they are investing little, but they earn a lot. But they get secured their money to invest together.
हाँ, तो वो बड़ा अमाउंट जो मिलेगा ना, उसका जो गारंटेड है $750 तो मिलना ही मिलना है.
Bitcoin, na? Are you talking about the Bitcoin?
BitConnect, yes.
BitConnect. www.bitconnect.com. I have also one question.
So अगर if you are interested, you can make your own ID. I can send you the referral link. और छोटा सा एक इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो आप चाहो तो.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Just share the link with me. In coming week, definitely I will search, and if I'll
और
type
माइनिंग में भी मैं करने वाला हूँ.
where?
क्लाउड माइनिंग में भी.
Okay, cloud mine. Okay.
उसमें भी अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट. That is the.
If you are, if the people are connecting with your referral, at that time, is there any profit? You get profit from referral or not?
Yes, what?
If people are getting connected with your referral, you get any?
Yes. I
Okay.
get commission for that.
Okay.
On their investment.
Okay.
I get commission, and the person who joins my team, he is
Okay.
always benefited by my experience. कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझसे पूछो, विड्रॉ कैसे करना है क्या. That is the advantage of my referral. भाई अगर आप अपने आप जाके कहीं भी ज्वाइन हो जाओगे तो कौन हेल्प करेगा आपको. बट आप मेरे रेफरल आईडी से
Also, is there any is there any customer care support or not?
कस्टमर सपोर्ट नहीं होता वो, फिर आप ईमेल लिख के ही बात कर सकते हो.
I'm saying it's also there is a support.
No, फोन सपोर्ट नहीं होता, वैसे होता है ईमेल से.
Okay.
तो बट यू नो वन थिंग, means when you join with someone's referral ID, your upliner, he always helps you. कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आपने पूछा यार ये बिटकॉइन कैसे भेजूं, कहाँ से भेजूं, क्या करूं, विड्रॉ कैसे करना है, बेचूं कैसे. तो एक बार प्रोसेस समझ में आ गया तो फिर इट इज इजियर. तो फिर कुछ नहीं. अब जैसे मैं अपने इस पे यूज करता हूँ जैप पे का जो ऐप है, वो यहीं पे मंगा लिया, यहीं से बेचा, पैसा विड्रॉ करा, यहीं से बैंक में आ गया 2 घंटे में, 3 घंटे में.
Okay. I will if I will interested in the BitConnect, definitely I will join your referral. I will connect with your referral. I have one question. In last 1 week, little basically, what should I do in a regular to improve my skills? I know the class time has done. Because one question, what should I do for this particular for improving my language skills? What should I do in a daily life?
Read newspaper.
Read newspaper.
Read newspaper. Watch English programs on television, and try to write a topic in English always.
Okay.
And get it checked by me or by someone whether you have committed some mistake. Means writing, reading, watching, speaking, all these things are very important. So watch some program just for 10 minutes, not much, for 10 minutes on BBC News, or watch some English videos on YouTube. and read English newspaper, read any English magazine or any article on internet, and take a topic from the internet and try to write some few lines, few words on it. And that's the way actually. And speaking, you have to speak a lot. The more you speak, the better it is.
Right.
This is
And is there any particular things for writing? If I write very good blogs, and is it possible?
actually writing. It depends on you. That means what topic do you want to take? You may take the topic of your own interest. कुछ भी लिखो, राम रहीम के बारे में लिखो
Okay.
कि राम रहीम क्या था, कैसे
Basically, we need
क्या
to
चार्ज लगे।
select interesting topic.
हाँ, तो आप you may write something about Ram Rahim. When you will write, you will come to know the different vocabulary. कि उस पे रेप के चार्ज लगे, कौन से लगे, क्यों लगे, उसको he was taken to jail and he was given that punishment. ऐसे मतलब आप लिखोगे तो फिर वो आएगा भी कि कौन से वर्ड्स यूज करूं।
Actually, last month, I'm thinking that if I go to abroad for a particular 2 or 3 months or 6 months to give complete my whole day to this thing, is it a good idea or not?
For learning English,
Yeah, to improve skills and everything.
I don't think you are going to improve.
Why?
Because you may try, no problem. Because I have got many students from such countries. They are Indians and they have been there for 1 year, but still they are learning English with me.
Okay.
Because actually they don't get much time to talk to local people. They all are busy.
Okay.
Yeah, so you may go. If you are going there to visit such country, you may go, but if you think you are going to improve but of course if you are going to join a course there to learn English, it's okay, but if you are going to visit
No, I'm planning to visit over there to join a course, to join a college.
then it's okay, you may go try. What happened?
What's your opinion? Should I go or not?
You should not go, I think.
Okay.
Why should you spend that much big amount of money for that? I don't think you should go. But if you think it's your interest, then it's your decision, it's your money, it's your time. What can I say?
You have
experience. But in my opinion, it is useless.
Okay. I spend a lot of money, and
You
if I will
spend
get
4 or 5 lakhs for that. What is the use of it? I think you should not go.
Okay.
This is my opinion, but after all, a final decision should be.
No, I appreciate your opinion because
why should I? You see, even if I ask you, okay, you may go. What I am going to lose? Nothing.
Yeah.
But I don't want you to lose your money unnecessarily. What is the use? If you think you want to learn more and more and more, you can increase your time here. आप मुझको फीस दे के अपना टाइम बढ़ा लो ना, और that's better.